Welcome to the in front of me POCO F4, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint here to the power key button on the right side of our device, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we will see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the the fingerprint scanner works here so fast. It's worked correct just with the simple touch to the power key. I'm not pressing it, I just do it by this way, just simple really touch. We can see that the fingerprint scanner works correct, and we can unlock the device less than in half of a second. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, and if, for example, if you don't like the unlock methods like the passcodes or pin codes, you can use the fingerprint scanner, but be careful and don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code pattern. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.